Hi, Jacob here from XLCR Vehicle Leasing, and this is our Tesla Model 3 standard range, finished in pearl white with 18-inch alloy wheels. In a moment, I'll show you around the car. So, here it is. Very nice pearlescent white paint. We have aerodynamic wheel trims on top of the alloy wheels. Matte door handles that sit flush within the body lines of the car. We have cameras on each side of the car and the rear. LED daytime running lights on the front of the car. Power folding mirrors. We have a full panoramic roof and LED rear lights with, again, a rear camera. Moving on to the inside of the car, we have Alcantara effect on the door there with, of course, electric windows all around. We have double glazed glass all around, electric seats with a vegan leather, storage in the centre armrest there with two cup holders, some more storage there with two USB-Cs and a wireless charging pad. Moving on to the infotainment, we have a 15-inch touchscreen display with satellite navigation there. We have Bluetooth connectivity there, Spotify and TuneIn. We also have power fold mirrors, automatic headlights and automatic wipers. We also have tri-zone climate control with a heated steering wheel and heated washer jets. We also have heated seats in the front and the rear. And our charging display there. Moving on to the boot of the car, we have, of course, electrically operated boot, which reveals large boot space with a pocket on the side there and some underfloor storage. I forgot to mention, we also have the Tesla light show here in the toy box. That looks like this. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and it gave you a better insight into the car. We'll see you soon.